Welcome back to Robin's Financial's series on scams and frauds. Scammers are always searching for new ways to catch you off guard, and we're dedicated to giving you the knowledge you need to keep your money safe. Creativity and patience are helping scammers with their latest ploy to get your cash. It's called mailbox phishing. Here's how it works. Scammers target those blue US postal boxes hoping for the ultimate catch, one of your checks. They create homemade devices to phish your mail out of the postal box. Once they catch an envelope with one of your checks, they wash off what you wrote on it and then rewrite it with a new recipient and a new dollar amount. This could easily wipe out your account if the rewritten check looks real. So, how can you prevent this from happening to you? First, know your options. There are other ways to safely and securely send money to pay bills. You can pay your bills online with digital banking through your bank or credit union. The Robin's Financial app lets you enroll in Bill Pay to get access to a system that lets you pay many of your monthly bills with a simple tap on your phone. Your bank or credit union can also help you transfer money to other accounts if you're trying to get money to friends or family. If you still want to mail a check or any type of payment, mail it from inside the post office. This way you know that no one will be phishing your mail before it's safely on its way to its destination. If you do use a public mailbox, be sure to only drop off your mail right before the pickup time listed on the mailbox. Don't leave your mail in the box overnight. Scammers are patient and will wait until nighttime to start phishing. As the financial world continues to change, our commitment to member awareness and financial education never wavers. The more information you have, the better you can protect yourself and your money.